Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change title size in a Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to the editor tab. So just simply click on edit over here on the top left corner of the screen. Let's say this is your title. And now in order for you to change it, just simply select all of them, or double click on it, or you can just simply click on this icon over here. And guys, as you can see, there are no specific way in order for you to increase the letter. So the only way that you have is just simply changing this one over here by clicking on it. And as you can see, each heading or paragraph will be depending on the type. So guys, the largest one will be heading 1. So guys, another thing that you might want to try is just simply click on this brush icon on the top right corner of the screen, which is site styles. And from here, just simply go for the heading over here and just simply click on this icon over here. And after that, you can change the base size over here and make sure to save it over here on the top left corner of the screen. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.